Hey planner friends, welcome back. Sarah here. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to put together a goal/vision board page where you can set some goals specifically to your stickers. We're going to be using Jessica's sticker book, Live, Love, Posh, Posh and Bloom's icons. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. Here are some other stickers that I'm using. I'm using the Happy Planner Journaling sticker books. These gold boxes are going to be great to write out every specific goal that I have. Of course, you're going to need to write out your goals before you get started, and these are personal for me for 2021. And then this other cute sticker book I picked up at Michael's. It is Paper House Plans That Blossom. It's geared to wellness. I shared this in a haul. It's super pretty. I love all the pastel colors, so I'm definitely going to use some stickers out of here. So I'm just going to set things aside so I can share with you the paper that we'll be working with. So this is my big happy planner that I use for franking planning. It is the squad goals, and I decided that I wanted to repurpose a divider in here that's super cute. It says strong women lift each other up. So I'm also going to take some notebook paper from this big happy notes that we're going to set our goals on. Super pretty. I think it's dotted paper. So I'm just going to adhere this to the back. I just like to use a tape runner or any adhesive will do. So I'm just going to line this up and then we're going to be good to go. I did kind of have some hangover. I just trimmed it up. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to flip through this small one here. Super cute. If you're able to get your hands on this, definitely pick it up. I think it's really cute. It has a lot of cute like bullet journal type of stickers in there. And then there's some florals in here that I absolutely love that I'm going to add to the icons. So I need my wax paper to pull my stickers out, and some of my stickers have been ripped because I was playing with them, but you can definitely take the sticker and if you like put it on the wax paper a couple times, or you could even place it on the back of your hand to take some of that stickiness off. So I have, this is my year, and then the New Year's resolution sticker. So I noticed that in this sticker book particularly, they had some cute wellness stickers, some pretty florals, but they had these monthly headers. And so I'm just looking for January so I can put that up there for 2021 because that's, it starts off the new year. Because I definitely have started some of these goals. If you follow my fitness and wellness plan with me, I've shared some of my personal wellness and fitness goals in those videos. So here are the florals that I'm particularly loving. They're super pretty. I love the blue and green hues with the pinks. So what's excellent about Jessica's sticker book is that she gives you 2 pages of each sticker style. So I love that. So I have 2 of the same stickers that I can use. So these are like a straight edge sticker, so it's kind of easy and perfect to place these up at the top of my page. Gives it that fun decor. I don't have to overthink it. It's just super easy, and that's another thing why I love Jessica's sticker books, because she has like these corner stickers, and it's just super easy to design a planner page. Cute. So I'm going to place my other stickers just sporadically around the page. That way it gives me the inner space of my page to lay my boxes down. So I have 1 through 10 here, and we're going to get started. Also in here there are some cute date stickers that I want to use. Again, this is a really cute sticker book. So I'm going to use the rainbow ones, of course. They're super cute. So on Jessica's resolution page, I pulled 10, but there's more than 10 little goal stickers And then at the end of the video, I'll share the ones that I did not use, but that's why I'm only working with 10. I thought it would be fun to share with you guys. Even if you don't have this sticker book, you can definitely go through your sticker books and set aside some time to write out a specific goal for each sticker. So I decided to place the numbers on the actual sticker. And I like the size of these boxes because I feel like I have plenty of space to write. And here I was just trying to measure out how many boxes I wanted in each column. So the first one was drink more water, but I wanted to give a more detail of what else I could do besides drink more water. So at the end of the video, I will explain a little bit more of each goal. So the second one is to lose weight. The third one is really cute. It says eat healthier. She has some really good ones in here. So I decided to see if I wanted to put some stickers in this space because when I was thinking about placing my boxes down, I would have more white space to work with, so I could use those as decorative areas. And I decided to put the florals, the same florals from at the top with "This is my year." I think it's really pretty and it pulls it together. So number 4 is to travel. So again, if you don't have the sticker book, I think it would be really easy to replicate each one of these goals if this is something that could possibly work for you to make some goals. Number 5 is read more. This one's really cute. So it's a stack of books, super cute. And if you don't have any stickers, you could probably do a quick doodle or stamping. I love stamping. Like this video if you like stamping, or comment down below if you guys would like to see videos on planner stamps. So number 6 is to sleep more. And I actually think of it as more of like recovery or rest or self-care. So number 7, I actually combined 2 stickers because they kind of go hand in hand, and it is learn a new hobby and self-made. And those are some goals that I wanted to do for 2020, but things just got in the way. So I'm setting time for that this year to learn something new and maybe have something on the side to start selling. So number 8 is, of course, exercise more. And then I went ahead and, since I only had a couple more boxes left, I went and filled up the space. So her exercise more sticker is so cute. It's like a little exercise outfit. And that could be possibly something that maybe you wanted to have a subscription service to work out clothes or something. Number 9 is become more social. It's a really fun one. And number 10 is stop procrastinating. That's a good one. So if you don't have a sticker for that, that's another fun idea. You could definitely use, you could just have a separate box and write in a title for each goal. So now I want to add some more of those flowers. I want to pull them in, and here I'm just trying to make a decision on where I could put it. I would like to put it here, but the stickers were just not as flexible because they've been sticking to the page, and so you'll see me just keep messing with it. It seemed a little crowded, but I kind of thought maybe not. I'm like, this sticker is stuck, so I'm still thinking about it, but I think down here it looked a little bit better, so you'll see me still trying to think maybe I can put it over there, but I placed it down here because then I'm going back to the flowers to see any of these smaller roses. I think I'm not really sure on the type of flower, but I thought I could put one of those at the corner over here, because these are paper backing stickers. It has a lot of extra white sticker space, so then I take a smaller one and I decide to trim it out so that way I could find a way to tuck it under the sticker without completely picking up the sticker. So it kind of worked, and then I took half of the other sticker at the bottom to place behind it. That way I can pull in those floral arrangements because it's just so pretty with all the colors together. So super cute. I love it. So hopefully this gives you a jump start to making your vision/sticker goal page for your planner. So now we're going to talk a little bit about each goal. Okay, so the first one is drink more water, and I really would like to focus on giving up sweet tea and soda, like completely. Number 2 is lose weight. I want to lose 25 pounds, but my goal weight is to be 145, maybe by midsummer. I would like to focus on planning better meals for number 3. Number 4 is travel. I would love to travel to Utah and explore trails. Like, that is my thing. I really want to explore more trails because I love just exploring trails. So Utah sounds great. All right, so number 5 is to read more. And I put some more detailed like genres of categories I'd like to read. And that would be fitness, faith, nutrition, and encouragement, kind of like self-care. And then for sleep more, I'd like to rest and recover more, and then just more self-care with, hair, skin, feet, and nails. Okay, so the hobby thing. Okay, so these are personal goals, but I'd like to learn to make planner pages, merch, and maybe some quote stickers. So for exercise, I definitely want to tone up. Maybe do some virtual run, 5Ks, and then some more trails. For social, to become more social, I definitely want to plan some meetups if possible, of course, if everything is safe. And then lastly, stop procrastinating would be decorating my home, and just doing that is just, it's really hard for me. I never stick to it, so I just want to stop procrastinating on my house. I definitely have more space to write things, but those are my goals. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and it inspired you to set some goals using stickers. Super easy and fun. Here are the other stickers that we use, just a little recap. But thanks so much for watching. Be safe and happy planning. Bye!